Morning students, let's continue the math class. From the last class we discussed or we learned the formation of digits or 6-digit numbers. Now we are continue to the barrels. From the next class, there is no repetition of numbers. Numbers repeat ചെയ്യാതെ form ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. Now we are going to learn how to repeat a number or repeat a digits in a number. So first question. Example. There is a question. 1, 2, 5 and 7. We want to make a 6-digit number. Here you want to make a 6-digit number. For that, there is only 4 digits are given here. Using these 4 digits, we want to make greatest and smallest 6-digit number make it. We want to make 6 digits, greatest and smallest 6 digits. But here is only 4 digits are given. 4 digits, only 4 digits are given. But we want to make a 6-digit numbers. For that, first for greatest number, for making greatest number, the last class we discussed that I teach you how to make a greatest number. For greatest number, first you write the smallest digit from this group at one place from the last to the left, from the right to the left, arrange in smallest to biggest. In this digits, which is the smallest digit? 1. So you write 1 at the last. Okay. Then from another 3 numbers, which is the smallest 2. So you write 2 here. Okay. And again 5 answer, which is the smallest 5 or 7. 5. So you write 5 here and the last is 7. So, but here is we need 6-digit number. Okay. But here is only 4 digits. Then 2 places are vacant. So we want to write there again which is the greatest number in these digits. Which is the greatest digit in these digits. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഡിജിറ്റ്സിലെ ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ഏതാണെന്ന് നോക്കുക 7 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര എണ്ണത്തിന് കുറവുണ്ടാവും? ഇവിടെ 4 ഉള്ളൂ, 6 വേണം. 2 എണ്ണം കുറവല്ലേ? 2 എണ്ണം കുറവ്. ആ 2 എണ്ണത്തിന് പകരം ഇതിലെ വലിയ നമ്പർ ഏതാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അത് 2 തവണ എഴുതി കൊടുക്കാം. മനസ്സിലായോ? അപ്പം this is the greatest 6-digit number. This is the greatest 6-digit number. മറക്കരുത്. For finding out the greatest 6-digit number, only 4 digits are given. For answer, we write the smallest digit at ones place. Second, from the tens place, in the tens place you write the second smallest and so on. And then finally we write 7. Fourth digit is 7. After that 2 places are vacant. Again you write the biggest number 2 times. Okay? Because 4, 5, 6. We need 6-digit number. So you write 7 on 2 times. Understand? Next is smallest. For smallest number, just the opposite of greatest. For the smallest number, you first write the biggest at one's place. Here biggest is 7. So you write 1, 7 here. Next smallest 5. Decreasing order from right to left. Okay? Right side to left to decreasing order. 7, 5 at the 2. Next 1. Okay? Then here is also 4 digits. We want 6 digits. So that we repeat 2 times the smallest digit. Here the smallest digit is 1. So you write 2 times 1. Understand? Understand? This is the smallest 6-digit number. So once again I explain you for finding out the greatest 6-digit number, only 4 digits are given. We need 6 digit. There is 2 digits are missing for that. So we write for greatest number we write the smallest number at the rightmost side and second place, tens place next one, and third 5 and so on. Write 4 is the highest number in this group. 7 is the highest number. So you write 2 times 7 here. So it is the greatest number. The smallest, for finding out the smallest number, we need a 6-digit number. There is only 4 digits are given. So you write greatest number from right side. That is, in greatest number you write greatest ascending order from right to left. Greatest means ascending order from right to left. Ascending order smallest എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ descending order. അതായത് ആ സൈഡിന്റെ descending order ആണ്. Understand? തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഡിജിറ്റ്സിനെ അങ്ങ് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് വേണം, അതല്ല ഇങ്ങോട്ട് അവരെ കൊടുത്തേക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ആ സൈഡിൽ ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ascending, ചെറുതിൽ നിന്ന് വലുതിലോട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എഴുതുക, from right most side. ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റ്സും എഴുതി തീർന്ന ശേഷം രണ്ടെണ്ണം കാലി, 6 വേണമെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടെണ്ണം വേണം, രണ്ടെണ്ണം കൂടെ വേണം. അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഏറ്റവും ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ രണ്ടോടെ എഴുതി കൊടുക്കും. ഇനി സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ അവസാനത്തിൽ നിന്നോട്ട് ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ എഴുതി വെക്കും. എന്നിട്ട് സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അവസാനം രണ്ടെണ്ണം കാലി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് രണ്ടെണ്ണം, ഇതിൽ സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 1 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 2 തവണ എഴുതി. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ. അപ്പം ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് സ്മോളസ്റ്റും അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ, നൗ there is question for you. Thank you for doing that question. ഇത് exercise 1.7. okay, exercise 1.7 question number 3. Question number 3, first A, question number A, 2 1 3 7. There is 4 digits are given. Given the question is that write the smallest 6-digit number using these digits. You may repeat the digits. We can repeat the digits. The digits repeat here. Smallest digit, smallest number ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. Smallest. For finding out smallest number. Smallest number എന്താണ്? ascending ആണോ descending ആണോ? smallest number descending. എവിടെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട്, അവിടെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് descending. So here is, which is the greatest number? 7. So you write 7. Last from right side decreasing for smallest decreasing. 7 after, which is the smallest? 3 2 1 3, and after 2, and last 1, and there is only 4 digits. We can repeat the digits. Okay, so descending order or smallest. For smallest 2 more digits we need, 2 more place we need. There is only 4. We need 6-digit number. So there is 2 places are vacant. We can repeat the digits, or we can use 2 or more times the smallest numbers. We want to find the smallest, so you find which is the smallest here, 1. So you write 2 1. Why 2 1? Here is 2 places are vacant, so we fill 2 places by smallest number. Okay, so this is the smallest number. Understand? Another question. 7 3 2 0. 7 3 2 0. Here is also smallest. Okay, smallest. First we need 6 digit. First you write biggest number at first. That is 7 3 2 0. Here 7 is the biggest, so you write 3. So is 7. Next 3. Next 2 0. ഇതിനകത്ത് എത്ര ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ട്? 4 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്ത് പറ്റും? 3 ഡിജിറ്റ്സേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആദ്യം 0 എഴുതിയ അതിന് വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, വാല്യൂ ഇല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇത് ഇവിടെ എഴുതാൻ പാടില്ല. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ എഴുതേണ്ടത് ഏറ്റവും സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇവിടെ വീണ്ടും നോക്കിക്കേ. വീണ്ടും നമുക്ക് 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് വേണമെന്ന് പറയാം. 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ Same page number, question number 4. Exercise 1.7, question number 4. Question number 4. Write greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit, greatest 5-digit, and here we need greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit. First question number A. 4276. 4276. Here 4 digits are given. 4276. So we want greatest number. For greatest number, greatest is ascending order from that side to this side. That is right side to left side. So first you arrange descending order. In descending order. This greatest means ascending order. Ascending order. So first you write the smallest one at the last or one's place. Here this is the smallest 2. 2. Next 2 after 4. After 6. After 7. Okay. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Only 4 digits. We need 5 digits. For greatest, you write the greatest number once again in the left side. So this number has 5 digits. 5 digits ആയല്ലോ. മനസ്സിലായോ? 5 digit number എങ്ങനെ എഴുതുന്നത് മനസ്സിലായില്ല? അപ്പോൾ 5 digit for finding out 5 digit number, there is only 4 digits are given. First you arrange in ascending order from right to left, and again add one the greatest number in the end or the left side. Okay. Once again, one more question in case of question number B. 970. Look, here is we also want to make greatest number. Greatest number. It's very easy. Greatest number. We need 5 digits. Only 3 digits are given. 1, 2, 3. We need 2 more digits. 3, 4, 5. 2 digits are given. So greatest is ascending. Right. Smallest number at last. Which is the smallest number? 0. So 0, 7, 9. Okay. Okay. Then greatest we need 2 more digits. Okay. So which is the greatest? 9. So you write 2, 9 again. This is the greatest 5-digit number. Understand all of you? Next, this exercise is over. This topic is over. Next we are going to next topic, a main topic, international system of numeration. And here we learn Indian system of numeration. Indian system means periods. Periods. In first period, one's period. Second period is thousands period, and third period is lakhs period. Here is also we can classify numbers or digits into periods. Here periods are, the name of period is some change. Look, first period is here ones. Which period is ones? In ones period there are 3 digits will come. Okay, 3 digits. Next period, which period is Indian system? In Indian system, which period is next? Thousand. So here is also thousands period. In thousands period, how many digits are in Indian system? In Indian system, how many digits are in thousand system? 2, 1000, 10,000. But here 3 digits including thousands period. That is 1000, 10,000. Next 100,000. 100,000. So in international place value system, international system of numeration. In this system, digits are or numbers are classified into periods. First period is one's period. In one's period, 3 places are coming: ones, tens, and and hundreds. And the next period is thousands period. In thousands period, there is also 3 places: 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. The next period in Indian system, which is the next period? Lakh. But here the next period is million. What is million? Million. What is million? In million there is also 3 places. Which are there? Can you guess? Same as 1,000. 1 million. 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. 100 million. These are places. Okay. In Indian place value system, the numbers are classified divided on the basis of periods. First period is ones. In Indian system, in ones period there are 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. But and the next period is thousand. In thousands period there is 2 places: 1,000, 10,000. Next lakh period. In lakh period there are 2 places: 1 lakh, 10 lakh. But in international system of numeration, the numbers are classified as periods, same as Indian system. But there is no one change is that the period name is different, and the places that coming in each period is also different. That is, in one's place there are one's period there are 3 places, and in thousands period there is also 3 places. In millions periods there is also 3 places. In first one's period, the places are ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In million period, 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. In numbers എങ്ങനെയാ എഴുതുന്നതെന്ന് കാണിച്ചു തരാം. First ones. Next 10. Okay, question is here we want to separate these numbers with the comma. In Indian system, before that I explain again the Indian system. Indian system, first you separate 3 digits, again 2 digits, again 2 digits, like that we separate it by comma. But here there is a difference, not 2 digits. In all periods there are 3 digits. So we separate comma by 3 digits, separating by 3 digits. That is here 3 digits, here 3 digits, again numbers ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലേ അതും 3 ചേർത്ത് അങ്ങനെയാണ് separating. Now we start to read this number. For that, first you separate this number using comma. First 1, 2, 3, again put comma. And the first period is, which is the first period? Ones period. Don't write the places. Ones period. Next period is thousands period. And in first you write, so you separate the number by comma based on periods അനുസരിച്ച് comma separate here 3 digit like so. Okay, and then you write its periods. First period is ones period, next period is thousands period. Okay, understand? Then we can read its name. Suppose first this is a group. നമ്മൾ comma separate ചെയ്ത് first ഈ സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് റീഡ് ചെയ്തു തുടങ്ങും. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് വയ്ക്കുക. ആദ്യത്തെ നമ്പറിനെ എങ്ങനെ വായിക്കും? ഈ നമ്പറിൽ ഇന്ത്യൻ സിസ്റ്റത്തിലാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് നോക്കണ്ട, അല്ലാതെ ഈ നമ്പർ എങ്ങനെ വായിക്കും? How to read this? 730 എങ്ങനെ വായിക്കും? 730 എങ്ങനെ വായിക്കും? 730. അതേപോലെ വേറെ വ്യത്യാസമൊന്നുമില്ല, അതിന്റെ കൂടി പീരീഡുകൾ പറയണം എന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. 730,906 730,906 730,906 ഇതെല്ലാം വരുന്നത് 906. So the number name is 700,000. Sorry, 730. ഈ 3 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഒരുമിച്ച് വായിക്കണം. 730 ബാലൻസ് ഇത് 3 എണ്ണോടെ വായിക്കണം. 906 730 906. ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഒന്നും പറയണ്ട, ആൻഡ് ഇല്ല കേട്ടോ. 906 ഇതിന്റെ ഒന്നും ഇടയ്ക്ക് ആൻഡ് പറയുന്നത് ആൻഡ് ഇല്ല. So how to read this number? 730 906. This is the name of this number in international system of numeration. In international system, numbers can be arranged a group of 3 digits and write its place. So periods, first period is ones, next thousand, next millions. Another question. How to read this number? 14791. First you separate by comma. 3 എണ്ണം വെച്ചിട്ട് തള്ളിയിട്ട് comma ഇടുക. 1 2 3 ഇവിടെ comma. Here 2 digits ഇടും, no problem. And write its place. First period is ones. Next period is thousand. So this number can be read as, this number read together 14 and its period 1000. 14,000. Next 3 digits 791. So the number name is 14,000 791. Okay. Then another example. thousand, next period is lakh. So this number can be written as 10 lakh. There is nothing, so number is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. But in international system, how to write this number or how to read this number? First write the number. How many digits are? 7. 7 digits. And separate 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First period is 1 period. Second period is thousands period. Last period is thousands after million. So this number is read as 1 million. കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? 1 million. 1 million. This number can be read as 1 million. Last period is million. So 1 million. Okay. This number in Indian system 10 lakh. In international system 1 million. Indian system international system difference മനസ്സിലായോ? Indian systemത്തിൽ 1 lakhന് 1 lakh എന്ന് പറയും. International systemത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ 100,000 എന്ന് പറയും. Indian systemത്തിൽ 10 lakh എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ international systemത്തിൽ 1 million എന്ന് പറയും. 1 million. 1 million. Okay. 1 million. Okay. All of you know understand all the topics that we are discussing in this class. International system of numeration. Now there is some questions. The related exercise is exercise 1.8. You do the questions from 1.8. Okay. Now the class is over. Let's wind up. See you on next class. Bye.